To support its steadily growing clientele, Moom is sharing useful and effective back waxing tips for men. An emerging brand on Amazon, the company offers a wide range of products formulated for hair removal for men, as well as women. Moom's latest product, an organic body hair removal kit for men, is now available on Amazon. Hair removal for men is no longer a new concept because many men, including swimmers and bodybuilders, want to have smooth, hairless skin, especially on their back. Before detailing their back waxing tips for men, Moom explains that it is possible to achieve easy and painless waxing at home by using the correct techniques and the highest quality products. Moom recommends using long spatulas with a wide end, which will make the wax easier to use. Coverage is important, seeing as back waxing can include the shoulders, the base of the neck, and the area down to the elbow. The company has suggested many other useful tips for ensuring pain-free back waxing at home, giving long-lasting results. Moom mentions that its recently launched natural sugar wax hair removal was formulated with the goal of being the best wax for hair removal at home. With no chemicals, the product is gentle on all skin types and can be applied and removed easily. To find out more about Moom, visit the company's official Amazon storefront